Let me be clear. Fortnite is a game that you need to get on. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Xbox One S Fortnite Bundle. It's got 1 terabyte of storage, and it allows you to watch 4K Blu-ray movies and stream 4K videos because 4K is awesome. It also comes with this fabulous Xbox wireless controller. Here's the deal. This comes with some Fortnite. Fortnite is a phenomenon that you absolutely need to get on right now. It is a battle royale. It means you versus everybody else. It comes with exclusive Eon Cosmetic set. That includes exclusive content available first on Xbox One. Exclusive. Plus, it gives you 2,000 V-Bucks of in-game currency. This comes with a lot. You also have an Xbox Game Pass trial. This allows you to play more than 100 games right out of the box. 1 month. You're welcome. Finally, the Xbox Live Gold trial, 1 month of Xbox Live Gold, so you can get in on the multiplayer action with your friends on the best and most advanced multiplayer network ever. It's available right now, so go out and get it. It's fine, I'll wait.